Last day in Niagara Falls. Gonna check out at about 10:30. Heading out. I'm gonna get some breakfast. Go to Tim Hortons. They closed early last night, so I couldn't get anything. That's an exit over here. Yeah, there's an exit there, exit over here, and exit over at the other end. I woke up pretty early today. I think 5:30, even earlier than that. I didn't, yeah. Couldn't get back to sleep. And then I got hungry. Just holding the phone and walking. Had an amazing prime rib dinner at Remington's last night. For the last meal, last supper. I tried to have a nice dinner at like the last night of wherever I'm visiting. Just a short video for this. And it was fun at the end of my live stream last night. Because another thing too, I'll do a reveal of where I have stayed. So, recording a trip in Hill here on a Monday. This is how it looks in November. About 8:30-ish. Tim Hortons should be open. Roads are pretty bad. Whew. I haven't had a prime rib dinner in a while, so having it last night was amazing. Last shot of everything. Just pan everything. Hortons right there. I'll talk. Okay, on my way, I'm in a cab and I'm on my way. I'm talking to the video. I'm recording now. I'm on my way to the bus station, taking a cab, and I figured out why not record my last recording for YouTube, my channel. Bye, Niagara Falls. See you next time. Can't wait to come back. I'm just holding the phone, so it's a bit shaky. Here's our drive. How long have you lived in Niagara Falls? Hello? 15, okay. Same with I took the Gimbal bus yesterday and it wasn't busy, so the guy, the driver, Ron, same amount of time, but he's been driving the bus for a long time too, yeah, so. time does everything open up? About 10? No, we're past 10 now. So this is Queen Street. This is the main street? Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to see, is that church. Yeah, all my life, born and raised in Toronto, and I've come out to Niagara Falls all the time, but never been through the downtown area.
This is one of them downtown.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Oh, this is probably what I was looking for. Right, yes. Oh, I'll have to come back another weekend and do something like this. How long is this holiday, well, this market on for, do you know? So you're gonna just like turn back or something? I want to get a shot of this church. You're gonna go maybe this way so I can get a shot of the church. This is a statement church, like nice. Oh, what's this building? Oh, the same. Okay. Cool. This is Victoria Avenue. Okay. I even cycled here, in the summer. I took my bike onto the GO train on the weekend for the day, and then cycled from Niagara Falls to Niagara on the lake, and then back, there and back. 43K. 43K. I felt so good the next day. Like, strong like bull. Okay. And what street is this now?
It's a Queen Street.
Still, oh, we're back on Queen. Oh, okay. On the other side. Okay, got it. Cool. Oh, look at this cute shop. Yeah, I have to come back another time and then explore the downtown. Walk and look at the shops. That's what I like to do. So you said there's another downtown?
Yeah, yeah, by London area.
Okay. London? Yeah. That's where the outlet stores are too, right? Yeah, okay. Good to know. Does the Wee Bus come out this way? Wee Bus?
No.
No.
No,
Okay.
Wego, it's not going this way.
We go, I meant. Wee Bus. We go bus. Okay. Cool. Bus I catch here. I think they drop me off on this side,
Yeah.
so I catch it here, right? Okay, good. Stop here and go. Oh, you're gonna take me over? Okay, good. Perfect. Nice.